prayer when sneezing and the answer. From Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu anhu, the Prophet sallallaahu alaihi wasallam said,
إذا عطس أحدكم فليقل الحمدلله وليقل له أخوه أو صاحبه يرحمك الله. فإذا قال له يرحمك الله فليقل يهديكم الله ويصلح بالكم. رواه البخاري.
When one of you sneezes, let him say, Alhamdulillah, meaning, all praise be to Allah, and let his brother or colleague say for him, YAHDIKUMULLAH, meaning, may Allah have mercy on you. So when he has said may Allah have mercy on you, let the sneeze say, YAHDIKUMULLAH wa yush-LIH BAALAKUM, meaning, may Allah give you guidance and improve your condition. Hadist Bukhari, number 6224.